Welcome to 5 Minute English Talk, your daily podcast for real-life English that's simple, practical, and confident. I'm Bruce.
And I'm Jane. Thanks for tuning in and helping our show grow. We really appreciate your support. Let's dive into today's episode.
Today's episode is about a really common conversation starter, especially at work, school, or in a new city.
Yep, it's that classic question. Where are you from? It's friendly, it's natural, and it's a great way to learn about someone. But we'll also show you how to ask it politely and how to answer it with confidence.
Let's start with how to ask the question casually. Here are some natural ways to bring it up. So, where are you from originally? Did you grow up around here? I don't think I asked, where's home for you?
Sounds simple, right? They're friendly, soft, and not too personal. Now, repeat a few with us. Where are you from originally? Are you from around here? Which city do you call home?
Now let's say you're the one being asked. How do you answer? Here are a few easy ways. I'm from a small town in northern Italy. I grew up in Mexico City, but I live here now. I'm originally from Seoul, but I moved here for work. Let's try those together. I'm from Cairo, born and raised. I grew up in Toronto. I just moved here from Mumbai. That's it. Short and easy.
And of course, if you want to keep the conversation going, you can ask a follow-up. Oh, cool. What's it like there? Have you been back recently? What brought you here? Here's how it might sound in a real conversation.
Hey, where are you from originally?
I'm from Barcelona.
Nice. I've always wanted to visit. Did you grow up there?
Yep. Born and raised.
Very cool. What brought you here?
Work? I joined the company last year.
Ah, that makes sense. I'm really glad you're here. Simple, friendly. It's just a way to connect. Let's pause for a speaking tip.
When you're asking about someone's background, your tone should be friendly and curious, never too direct or pushy. Instead of a flat, "Where are you from?" try a warm version like, "So, where do you come from originally?" Or even, "Did you grow up in this area?" It feels more natural and shows you're interested, not just asking out of habit.
All right, time for your daily challenge. Here are 3 lines to practice out loud. So, where are you from originally? I'm from Jakarta, but I moved here a few years ago. Cool. What's it like back home?
Say them slowly, clearly, and try them with someone at work or in class. It's a great way to make new connections.
That's all for today's episode of 5 Minute English Talk. If you found it helpful, follow the show, share it with a friend, or drop us a quick review. We always love hearing from you.
We'll be back tomorrow with more practical, real-world English. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep talking.